Hello, I am Hussam Abdurrahman. I'm a painter. Who is Hussam? I am 13 years old. I am a self-taught artist. I love art, and colors always inspired me. And I am going to be a famous artist in the future. I am a student in middle grade. I study in Success International Schools. I have got a self-defense course at Summer Creative Hub in July 2019. I also got another course at Leaders Factory about nature drawing, and that was in January 2020. I have a lot of skills. The most important of them is creativity, and I am a hard worker. I always work hard for my dreams and my goals because this is my future and what I wanna be. I also have the best skills to work with team and innovate pretty things. I speak two languages, Arabic and English, fluently. My hobbies is painting all the time and always trying to be better than the other time. And I love playing skateboard and doing hard moves. I always search about friends who love skateboard. My ambition is to be a professional famous artist, and I always trying new things. I believe in myself. My family always support me to be better and keep trying, and I am going to start selling my big paintings in the stores. Thank you for listening and wish me luck.